In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and connect your TikTok pixels to your Shopify store so that you can run effective TikTok ads. Where Shopify can send data back to TikTok and optimize your ads so that TikTok can find your best buyers. Now, to get started, come to your Shopify store. Let's come to your Shopify store. Scroll down until you see app, right? This app, click on apps so that you can install the TikTok app, right? Then search for TikTok app here. So search for TikTok here. Right, and I need to see this TikTok, right? So click on this app to install the TikTok app in your Shopify store so that you can connect your pixels, right? Now, while it's loading, what is a piece? A piece is a piece of code you put to your website so that your website, which is in this case a Shopify store, can can send data back to TikTok. All right, TikTok is not going to understand your buyers, optimize your ad, and look for your best buyers for you. All right, so it's very important to set up your pixel. If you don't set up your pixel, you are just going to be burning your ad spend, whether you're running TikTok ads or Facebook ads. All right, so you want to make sure that you have installed your pixel before you even spend $1 on your ad. Once you come, you're going to see this TikTok app. All right, now you're going to see a lot of options when it comes to TikTok app. Please go for the one that you see TikTok Inc., right? Which is the developer is TikTok Inc. This is the one you're going to install, right? Now click on this install here to install the app. Now while it's loading, you need a TikTok business account and a TikTok ad account, right? To get your TikTok business account, you want to come to business.tiktok.com. When you want to come to business.tiktok.com, you're going to see a screen like this, alright? And all you have to do is to click on this, right, to select your right hand account, right? It's important to log in your TikTok ads account here before you start connecting your pixels, right? So that it's just going to be easier for you, right? So you want to make sure that you select the right TikTok business account, right? And if you don't have a TikTok business account, just check the description of this video, right? So I'm going to link a video that shows you how to create and set up your TikTok ads account, right? So that you can start using it to run ads to your Shopify store. So it's going to show this. So just click on this install button here to install the TikTok app on your Shopify store. Right, note we're in the Shopify store. We come to apps, search for TikTok, and we install the right TikTok app under TikTok Inc. as a developer. Right, now click on this install to install the TikTok app. Right, which is the TikTok app on your Shopify store. So you're going to see this option. Click on setup now. Right, to install your TikTok shows. Now you're going to see this connect TikTok for business, right? So click on this connect. So click on this connect to connect your TikTok business account. I'm going to connect it now. Now it's going to show this connect TikTok for business to Shopify. So you can see my business account here, right? So if this is not the right one to use, you can click on switch users and log into the right TikTok business account. But like I told you, I've already logged in my own here, so you're just going to reflect here. Very easy. So all I have to do is to click on connect, right, to connect my account. So I have 3 business ad accounts in this account, which is all reflecting here. So I can decide to connect all, but for the sake of this tutorial, I just want to connect this one, which is God Bless Ltd BC. So I'm going to connect this one. Right here is where you can connect your TikTok ads account. So I can decide to connect this ad account too. Alright, because this ad account is under this business portfolio. So I'm going to click on connect. Just be connecting. And if you don't have the ad account here, you can click on create new from here. But let's just connect from here. So I'll connect this ad account so that I can use this ad account to run ads in my Shopify store, right? Now the next step is data sharing. Just click on maximize, alright, so that TikTok can get the best data to optimize your ads, right? So just click on this maximize option, your level selection, right? Click select maximize. You want to select maximize, the next thing you want to do is to select your pixel, which is your data set. Now this is where you can select the pixel. If you've already created the pixel, your TikTok ad account, you can just select it from here, right? But I want to create a new pixel. So all I have to do is to click on create new, right? Yes, you can actually create a pixel straight from your Shopify store. Why? Because you have already connected your TikTok business manager to your Shopify store, right? Which we did in the first step here. So you can automatically create a pixel. So to create a pixel, just click on this create create pixel to create a new pixel, right? Let me click on create now so that we can create a new pixel. That's it. Our pixel have been created. Shopify pixel, TikTok pixel for Shopify, right? it ended with 366. So note this number down. We're going to use it for reference purposes. Ended with 366. So I'm going to click on confirm. And I'm going to click on finish setup under my screen. Click on finish setup. Boom. And you are good to go. Now I trust you have gained value in this video. If you have gained value in this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Alright. Now that you have set up your pixel, the next logical thing is for you to start running ads. And if you don't know how to run TikTok ads or Shopify store, I'm going to link a separate video down below. Just check it out, alright, so that you can learn how to set up an actual TikTok ads, right, that optimize for sales, right? So make sure do well to share that video on the description. Hey, but don't get excited yet. Before you spend $1 on your ad, you want to ensure that your PC is working correctly, alright, and is firing correctly. How do you do that? You want to install a browser extension called TikTok Pixel Helper. How do you install this plugin? Let me show you. Let's assume you're using Chrome. You can come to your Chrome browser, your Firefox browser, and come to browser extension, or you can come to google.com and search for TikTok Pixel Helper extension. Look at it. If you are using Firefox, click Firefox extension. If you are using Chrome, click Chrome extension. If you are using Microsoft Edge browser, just type Microsoft Edge browser, alright? So I will just click on this one. It's TikTok Pixel Helper Chrome extension. Then I will click on this first one, right, under Chrome Web Store. Then I'm going to install this extension. If you don't have it, you need to show add extension. So just click on add extension and you're able to have extension in your browser. You can do it for any browser, right? So this is Microsoft Edge. Now I need to view my store. To confirm my PC is working, I need to view my store. How do I do that? I come to my store. Right, I come to my store, then I trigger some events. I'll click on view online store just to view any of your products. Right. Now TikTok will not be able to track all of your products on your Shopify store, track sales, track add to cart, track checkouts, and record all this data in your ads account. And when you make a sale, TikTok will know that you have made sales. Let's say you have gotten 10 orders, 10 sales for this shoe now. It's going to reflect on your TikTok ads account. Why? Because you just connected your pixels, right? Now once it reflects on your TikTok ad account, TikTok will optimize your ad. TikTok will understand the kind of buyers and look and go back to your database, the billions of data within their reach, and look for more buyers that are more likely to buy this specific product. Right. So that's how your ads optimize and learn from data. Right. So it's very important to set up your pixels by following this step. Right. Now to confirm if your pixel is working, open one of your products, then click on add to cart. Right. Just be triggering some event. Then click buy now, buy it now. Right. Now I've triggered two events, add to cart and buy now. All these activities will be tracked, right? Now, how did this plugin now come into play? Let me show you now. Come to your extension here, right? Then click on the TikTok Pixel Helper extension, which you just installed on your browser. So click on it. It's going to show you all of this. Look at it. Initiate checkout. Why is it showing initiate checkout? Because I just initiated the checkout now, right? If I go ahead and buy this product now, enter my details here and buy this product, it's going to show another event is going to fire here as a purchase event, right? So for now, I only initiated checkout and add to cart. That's why you're seeing all of this right here. So that's to show you that your pixel is working. If you don't see anything here, if you show zero pixel found, that means your setup is not correct. But once you see one pixel found and you trigger some events, initiate checkout, page view, all these things is shown, and your pixel number is even shown here. Remember, our pixel number ended with 366. That's to tell you that wow, so you have set up your pixel successfully. Alright, so that's how you can identify that you have successfully set up your TikTok pixel successfully and correctly. You can now start using this to run ads. Alright. Now the next logical thing for you to do is to click on this create campaign, and it's going to take you to TikTok Ads Manager so that you can start running effective TikTok ads. And you can even decide to create the ad right from your Shopify store if you don't want to use the TikTok Ads Manager account. Now in the video I link down here below, you're going to see exactly how to run this ad step by step, alright, and how to organize your collections of products, optimize your ads. I run a profitable TikTok ads, all right, this year. So make sure you watch that video to the end. Now, if you're really giving value, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out, because every week I drop videos like this that's going to take your Shopify sales to the next level. All right. So make sure you subscribe to this channel now and turn that notification bell. All right. And I'm going to see you in the next video. Now, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is God Bless You Boy. All right. I run ads for store owners like this. Now, if you want my team and I to step in and actually scale your business, scale your sales, then you can reach out to me with the link down below so that you can actually take your business to the next level. I'm talking of getting sales in your Shopify store that ranges from $10,000 per month to $1 million per year. All right. So if this is something you really want to get on your Shopify store, you want to reach out to me with the link down below. All right. To see for your best fit for your ads. All right. In that ways, if you have any question, you can drop it down there in the comment section and I'm going to respond to it immediately. And let me know if there's any other thing you want me to set up regarding Shopify store. Right? Just drop it in the comment section and I'm going to do a separate tutorial for that. Now I've got other tutorials for you, including how to set up your TikTok ads. Do where to check them up right here. Right?